Across Africa, food and nutrition policies are central to improving the well-being of the population. In recognition of this fact, food and nutrition-related projects are receiving increased attention across the continent. Given the substantial resources allocated to these projects, it is essential to measure their impact on national, household and individual levels. Against this background, our challenge was to develop an effective and efficient methodology for measuring food security at household and individual levels, including data collection, recording, analysis and interpretation, and covering the spectrum from availability and accessibility to utilization and stability. From years of experience working with internationally recognized food and nutrition security indicators, cost-effective, efficient and reliable mechanism to collect, record and process the relevant indicator data, allowing the researcher to establish the determinants of household nutrition status. The result, an exceptionally rich information database with the potential of leading to several research papers comparing different classes of interventions and their impact on nutritional outcomes. Our methodology reports the food security situation of both the individual and the household using a range of indicators, including food consumption as a share of household expenditure, household food insecurity access scale, diet diversity score, anthropometric measurement, months of adequate household food provisioning and food poverty. So how does the tool work? Meet the Dubes from Umlazi in KwaZulu-Natal. Umlazi is the third largest township in South Africa after Soweto and Tembisa. The area is witnessing increased private and public sector investment, ranging from new shopping complexes to schools, libraries and an expanding University of Technology. However, food security remains a challenge at household and individual levels, and the Dubes face problems relating to food availability, accessibility, utilization and stability. On her way home, Zadumo is approached by a friendly field researcher and asked to participate in a food security study. Zadumo agrees and invites the researcher into her home. The interviewer initiates the process by asking Zadumo questions from a carefully constructed questionnaire, using a tablet to record Mrs. Dube's responses. The data is recorded on the local device and instantly transmitted to a central server. This includes the exact time and GPS location of the interview. So why the exact location? The GPS coordinates allow the research team to revisit households for midterm or end-of-project interviews and monitoring, for which either the original questionnaire or a special purpose monitoring questionnaire can be used. The original questionnaire measures a full range of food security dimensions, giving due weight to the complexity of the issue, and the data is compiled into a compact file consisting of SPSS code and SPSS output. Once Zadumo's interview is completed, the interviewer sends the data file for instant analysis by the data receiver. Depending on the distance between interviews, an interviewer can conduct at least 3 to 4 interviews per day. Assuming a sample of 600 households with 15 enumerators, 4 controllers and 1 supervisor, the entire research process can be concluded in less than a month. From data collection and compiling result reports to reporting to policymakers. This cutting-edge tool enables the user to track and monitor not only changes in food consumption patterns, but also variations in food availability, accessibility, utilization and sustainability. In conclusion, while the list of advantages are comprehensive, the core benefits are simple. What we offer is a simple, cost-efficient and effective methodology developed to meet a variety of needs and applications, from university researchers and food policy analysts to policymakers and private sector outreach programs.